India has banned the manufacture, import, stocking, distribution, sale and use of identified single-use plastic items, which have low utility and high littering potential, all across the country from July 1, 2022. The list of banned items includes earbuds with plastic sticks, plastic flags, candy sticks, ice cream sticks, polystyrene, thermocol, for decoration, plastic plates, cups, glasses, cutlery such as forks, spoons, knives, straw, trays, wrapping or packing films, sweet boxes, invitation cards, cigarette packets, plastic or PVC banners less than 100 micron, stirrers. India's Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB) report 2019-20 stated that 3.5 million metric tons of plastic waste are generated in India annually. The global recyclin, reuse and reduction of plastic waste percentage is only 9%. Plastic pollution soared from 2 million tons in 1950 to 348 million tons in 2017. It is expected to double in capacity by 2040. The Plastic Waste Management prohibits the manufacture, import, stocking, distribution, sale and use of plastic carry bags.